Hi everyone, I'm back with a few more page ideas. So I went through my animal book. I decided not to use the one bird that I had pulled out because it just was too big. But I did cut a flower out of the upper corner for an embellishment. I had to cut these other pages down because remember, this is only like 5 by 5. So this biggest one, the bear, I got most of him on. If you open him up, I had to cut part of his paw off, but I got most of him and even this little bird and the head of another bird and a sunshine. I don't think I'm going to color them. Um, and then this one is the monkey. I unfortunately had to cut his feet off to leave his ear in. I didn't want to cut his head up and part of his tail. Well, his tail was already partly he was in a frame. And then this is the gecko, which I cut around, but I got him all in. And now the thing is, I don't want all these color lists on the back, which was it's the color by number. So I'm going to back them on something, and I'll show you that in a minute. And then I have all these strips that I had to cut, and I'll save them and color them probably for borders or whatever I want. So let me move them out of the way. And then what I did was I thought I want to add some color. So I found this already mixed. It says Shimmer Frost White, but it already had pink in it. And I don't know which pink. I'm kind of thinking it might have been Polish Pink or possibly Melon Mambo. I don't know. Stampin' Up! Color. And this says Champagne Mist. They were both with alcohol. Let me show you the things that I'm talking about if I can get to them. 1 second. It's This is the Frost White that had the pink in it, and this is the Champagne. They're by Sunico, I want to say. Yeah, Sunico. I got them from Stampin' Up. They're retired, but I kept them. I have a gold one, and I think, is that it? Yeah, no, I have a gold and a copper. Oh, that would be cool. Anyway, these were already pre-mixed, so I thought, might as well use them. This one I used up. I need to clean it. This one still has some in. It did not leave much color on the paper. So let me show you what I did. Oh, hang on. Sorry. Okay. So that's gonna fall. This is the one that had the pink, but then I took my blending brush and I used Stampin' Up's Calypso Coral color. This little bit of blue was either on a paper towel or my finger or from the back, off the mat, and I think from the back, and it showed through, but I don't care. So it has shimmer. Can you, like here's a really good spot of shimmer. I don't know. Trust me, it has shimmer. This one, you could hardly see any color, just shimmer. So there you can see a little bit of shimmer maybe. Let me turn this other light down too. Oh, wait, up or up. Maybe up. Sorry. Up at the top, you can see the shimmer, right? So the whole sheet is like that. I went over it with Stampin' Up! So Saffron. You could use antique linen, that would work too. And what I'm going to use these for is to back those, I think, is to back these pages. Oh gosh, another book fell. So I think I can get a couple of them on. I just have to decide. I think I want this one to be on the pink. And maybe these two on, eh, maybe these two will be on pink. So they're gonna be backed on the color because I don't really want those. I don't want these words showing. So they'll be like this, and that'll make them a little crinklier, and then we'll have a color and this. So I'll glue them down to that. So that's my intent. And this, I think I will color and use it as an embellishment. So I'm pretty much done making pages now. I apologize if this video is too long, but you know, I have all this stuff ready now. I just have to sew the journal and figure out where I'm going to use all these beautiful things. I think these might end up being pages, or they might be go down. I don't know. I don't know yet. I have to figure that out when we get to decorating. Okay. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.